Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will discuss one of our exciting feature, that's the Google Calendar integration with our AI agent. Alright. So in this video, we will discuss how you can connect the Google Calendar with your AI agent, how you can use that in the prompt, how you can use that to book an meeting, and how you will be able to see the booking in your integrated Google Calendar. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your BotPenguin dashboard. Once you are logged in, you have to refer to this more section on the left hand side. Once you click on this, you will get this integration option. Click on this and here you will get an option to connect Google Calendar. So simply click on this option, click on connect, and it will ask you to add your credentials. So let's say my credentials are this. So I have already connected it. So it will automatically get connected. Continue. Allow. Perfect. You see connected successfully. And I will be able to see my email here, right? From here, you can turn on the status of the account that you have integrated. Once you are done with this, the next step is you have to create a custom attribute for some details that we have to capture in the Google Calendar. So let's get started. So refer to the section of custom attributes, and here you will get an option to create an attribute. So here are three options. So make sure to choose the third option to save agent responses. So let's say I have to capture and create an attribute for email. Okay, I will give it a name, email, and it will be named as email agent so that I can remember it. And what will be the attribute? It should be like, it can be single line text. Okay, so here I have to provide an prompt. So let's say for this particular, perfect. When you're done with this, you are simply telling your agent, when a customer provides you an email, save the email in this attribute. So once you are done, you will be able to see your created attribute here. Similarly, you have to create the custom attribute for email, description, summary, start time, and the end time. So these are the 5 attributes that you have to create it. I have already created it, so I'm not going to create that again. Alright, once you are done with this, then you have to refer to your agent section, and here you have to select the agent in which you want to use or you want to connect your Google Calendar. So let me quickly open the agent that I want to use here. Allow me a minute. This is the AI agent that I want to use for an appointment booking. So I have basically write an prompt here. Gather all the necessary details like name, email, date, time, purpose of meeting, confirm users availability, everything is there. And once this prompt is created, I have also write, once customer provide required date, book a meeting slot in and send a confirmation email to the customer. So how you can call this particular section Google Calendar? You have to simply type slash in your prompt. If you type slash, so the Google Calendar will show up here. You can choose the Google Calendar from here and you will be able to integrate it. So what you have to do is simply you have to, it will comes up this like this. So first of all, you have to select the credentials that you want to, the account that you want to integrate. Once you are done with this, then you have to click on update and next. Then next step is configuration. So here you get 5 options. So one by one you have to select each variable, and with the, you have to map it with the custom attribute that you created in the custom attribute section. So I have created like this is the summary variable. I map it with the summary agent that I created the custom attribute. Similar for description, start date, time, end time, and email. Once I'm done with this, I will simply click on update. All right, and now if I want to test it, so I will simply go to this install section, go to landing page, click on next, copy, and I will open the landing page and I will test this created integrated Google Calendar. So let's say I want to book a meeting. So I type book a meeting. So it will ask me what is your name, email address, preferred time for meeting, purpose for meeting. So I will provide these informations to the agent. So I provide this information, a random information. You can type anything. So it will ask, thank you, Sanchit Sharma, to confirm. Would you like to book a meeting on 17th November, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. to discuss cricket? Could you please confirm your time zone? So I will tell that. Perfect. Let's see what the agent responds. You see here, your meeting slot for 17th of November has been booked. A confirmation email has been sent to this email. If you like to reminder, please let me know your preferred reminder time. He will send me your, here is the meeting link for your reference. Okay. And if I check my integrated Google Calendar, I have booked on 17th to discuss cricket from 12 to 1 p.m. I can check that from here. All right. So this is how the Google Calendar integration works for the agent. If you have any query, you can simply reach us to support@botpenguin.com. We'll surely help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.